deer
Oh my
is
goodness.
this deer is making noise.
He wants you to feed him, I think.
Oh my goodness.
That's the cutest little noise.
No.
He is. He's like, feed me.
Oh, dude, you're stealing all the food that I'm trying to feed this wonderful deer.
Yeah, you really only need a little bit and it'll last you a while. She said just a tiny bit like each animal and it'll last you a good while.
So
It's cool.
terrible.
They are. They're so pretty.
I didn't even know deers made that noise.
Yeah. Did you? What does it say on the sign right there? What kind of deer are they?
They are,
I know.
they're Sika Deer.
Yeah. Hello. You're
That's
so
what they
cute.
are. Or, I have no idea how to pronounce it. Sika, I don't know.
I know. I know.
That's a friendly deer.
Yeah, they're so cute. You want to pet them?
Sure. Hello, dear. You're very happy. You're very, very
That was the
sweet,
cutest little noise. My goodness.
dear. You're so sweet. Hello. That's a silly deer.
These guys are cool.
These are cute.
Yeah, and they are very friendly.
They're friendly.
Hello, sweetie. Hello. Hello.
A bee just buzzed by my head. Scared me. What was that?
That was the other deer that's over there.
Oh.
Emily, look. That was that guy over there.
Oh. Oh, he's a little guy.
Yeah.
He's a little
So
one. He
cute.
looks young.
Uh-huh, he does. Very cool. I wonder if he'll make that noise again. This guy. Oh, the little one's coming back over.
Well, that's gotta be a baby one.
They're very young, yeah. Very cute. Hello, you've got beautiful eyes. Yes, you do.
Oh, he's coming over. Look.
Yeah. Hello, sweetie.
These deer are really friendly.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen deer be this friendly. Have
Yeah.
you?
Once, when I was younger, I went to a petting zoo and there was a baby deer.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and it was super friendly. Very cool.
He's doing it again.
Oh my god, that's the cutest thing
Wait,
ever.
I forgot. Did you know that deer make this noise?
No.
No, me neither.
Well, these are a different type of deer than what we normally have wild here.
You trying to push your
He
rock?
keeps pushing the rock with his head.
It's so funny.
Yeah. He's maybe itching
Fun
the
deer.
top of his head or something.
Happy deer.
Satisfying an itch. Maybe
Maybe
they do that
just
to
playing.
play. Don't know, yeah.
Maybe they're
Very
playing
cute.
with the rock.
I mean, that cute little...
Yeah. I think that's a friendly noise.
That's very
What other
cute.
noises?
Adorable.
Yeah, let's go see
So
some more
pretty.
animals.
Okay.